Hi guys! For today's video, nandito tayo sa may Highgate. Dito lang yan sa may Rosario, papunta sa may Southwoods. Ito yung interior ng resto nila. Side kwento lang, dito dapat kami magdi-dinner ni Jeff last Valentine's Day, but napakahaba ng waiting time nila kaya lumipat na lang kami sa iba. This is their menu. Madami silang ino-offer sa menu nila. We just ordered their truffle spaghetti and their USDA Angus ribeye steak cooked medium rare. May kasama na yan dalawang side dish, nag-add na lang kami ng extra rice. Masarap yung steak nila, very flavorful and tender. Only complaint is napakatagal ng serving time nila. Hindi rin sila nag-accept ng reservation, first come first serve dito. Thank you for watching. See you sa next video.